Hey gang, we're back. I just stopped by a buddy of mine's place called Butterscotch. My buddy Tommy there has this shop here in Long Beach that is a moto-centric men's fashion shop. They do carry some women's stuff as well. But what I really appreciate about Tommy is that he's very talented at what he curates and carries in the shop. It just makes things a lot easier for me when I'm looking to buy something great. He usually has what I'm looking for. So today, I decided to get a hat. I used to not really be a hat person. Once I started to grow my hair out, I realized the convenience of wearing hats, and sometimes it's really nice not to have to worry about what my hair looks like. So, here it is. It's a Stetson. For those of you that don't know, Stetson is one of the most prominent US hat makers in the world. They just make fantastic hats. Cowboy hats are sort of their forte. As you can see, this is a little cowboy-esque, not full-on cowboy. So this is what it looks like, and I will show you some more details up close, and then we'll try on an outfit so you can kind of see what the whole vibe is. Okay, here it is. This is the Stetson Wildling. It's part of the Seeker collection. It's made out of something called shantung straw. I'm not 100% sure in terms of straw materials what that means, how great it is. It feels fantastic. Stetson usually makes high quality stuff. It's a firm finish, so the brim is firm. It's not very flexible. The brim here is 3 inches, and then the crown here is 4 inches. And it's made here in the US. It's got this feather detail with a little arrow pin, which is kind of neat. And has this nice little, I guess it's like a cloth hat band. Inside here is a sweatband. So I've got a big head. I also learned that today. I think it's like 7.5 inches. And that makes, in terms of this hat, it's an extra large. So that's fun news to learn about myself, but it's what fits. What I'll do now is we'll go ahead and put it on, and so you can kind of see what the whole vibe is. But it's a cool looking hat, just a nice summer vacation vibe. No complaints thus far. All right, so we've got the whole outfit on. It is still May in Los Angeles, so it's not super hot yet, so I can still rock a jacket, but this is the vibe. So I've paired this here with, actually this is another piece from Tommy at Butterscotch. This is the Momotaro denim jacket. I think it's called the Battle Jacket. I'm not 100% sure. This is a fantastic jacket. I should probably do a review on this too, frankly. It's just such a good jacket. And then I've got them paired with the Tailor Stitch corduroys, which I've cuffed up. And yeah, I guess this is pretty much how it goes. Let me know what you guys think, and appreciate you guys giving me a like. If you guys would watch this video, it would really help my channel. Thanks so much.